Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video we'll be talking about the trade analysis what I have done on 14th of August. Okay, so I'll be telling you on what stock I have traded, where I took the entry, where I took the exit and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel. You can just go inside my channel and watch lot of educational videos and daily live trade analysis video what I've uploaded from last 5 to 7 years plus, and we trade without any indicators. Even today's trade analysis what I have done, even this is without any indicators. Okay, so you can do subscribe to my channel to get the latest update always. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading like this and want to recover your losses, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And also, you get everyday live market personal support as well. And the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me so that you can get in touch with me and learn how you can be a consistent profitable trader from today. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the today's trade what I have done. So first we'll talk about the trade what I have done, and then we'll talk about the Nifty 50 analysis as well. Okay, so firstly, the stock what I have today is TechM. So this is the stock what I have traded on today, and this was the levels. So it was a buy above 1520 in the morning, around 9:30 to 9:45 is the time where the trade was executed. And once the buy was executed, as you guys can see here, the stock has performed well and it has gone up till almost 1530. So my target was almost 8 to 10 points, and that target was achieved in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and yes, I knew that 1530 was some of a key resistance level, so that's the reason why I kept the target within that range. And once 1530 touched, you can see how the resistance has acted, and from there the stock has again come down and it has made a low of 1510. So if you had this knowledge, then you would have short sold here also and you would have made a one short selling trade. But anyway, by following my study and the discipline and sticking into the strategy, I made only one trade and I was able to book the profit here. Okay, and later 1510 became a good support level, so from there the stock has even gone up and closed at 1527 for the day. So this is how the TechM has performed for the day, and this was the trade what I have done according to my study and the strategy and without any indicators. Okay, so once you join us, I'll be guiding you all these things in detail about doing a right selection of the stock for intraday trading, and how you can find a perfect entry like this, and how you can find a safe exit like this also. Okay, so it's not about doing over trade, or it's not about being great in intraday trading. It's about following the discipline and sticking to the strategy. So that's what I do, and if you're able to do this, then you will be able to be a good trader. So you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, and you can get in touch with me, and I'll be telling you more things in detail about the strategy, the stock selection and everything. So just by spending 15 to 20 minutes per day, you can do one profitable trade easily. Okay, so I'll teach you all the techniques of all these things. Okay, and now let's talk about the Nifty 50, how it has performed for the day. So if you guys can see here, the Nifty has been performing in a bit of a range bound section for the day, and it was also like bearish during the time of opening, if you guys can see here. And there was a big red candle today in the first 15 minutes candle, and later on the market was fully range bounded. Okay, so there was no much movement in the market today, so that's the reason why a lot of stocks were range bounded, and that's why we couldn't see much momentum in the lot of stocks today. And even the TechM, you can see it was just range bounded in that 20 to 30 points. It just moved for the whole full day. Okay, and even the Nifty 50 had not done much of a movement for the day. You can see here the lowest point made was around 24098, and the highest point like where it opened today was around 24196. Only between 100 points is where the movement had happened. Okay, so this is how the market has performed for the day. So no much volatility or no much volume today in Nifty 50 is what I can tell. So this is how the market performed for the day, and this is the trade what we have done for the day, and we have closed it in a profit. And if you guys want to learn all these things in detail and want to make your trading safe and simple, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and by getting in touch with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.